Well, in Mark English's home county, Donegal, there's a sense of immense pride in the county following his achievement. RTE News spoke to people in Mark's hometown of Letterkenny and at his club, Finn Valley AC.
At Finn Valley, Mark English's achievement is a source of enormous pride and inspiration.
Yeah, it's inspirational to see someone come from my club that's done so well.
I don't think there's even a word strong enough to describe how special it is because he's 6 years older than everyone else.
It motivates us all now to we can do what we put our mind to.
Mark English was born and raised in Letterkenny, a former student of St Eunan's College.
Just so overwhelmed and so delighted for him. He was a gentleman as well, and there was no airs or graces with him. He was focused, he knew what he wanted.
Man's a doctor as well, he's phenomenal what he has achieved academically, sporting wise, and he just comes across as such a solid, sound, beautiful human being.
It's just a wonderful achievement, and the county and the town of Letterkenny and Donegal are just overwhelmed for such a good guy.
Great achievement. I know his grandmother personally, a lovely lady, as well as a lovely family, so well deserved.
Very nice family, the English family. I was all delighted last night, yeah, I was. I had a good night's sleep over a morning.
Mark has been pretty much consistent at national level #1 for about 15 years, and that's serious. And then qualifying as a doctor in the middle of it, so you don't get people like that popping up every day, but you're still always dreaming.
For the next generation, Mark has shown that dreams can come true. Shane O'Curran, RTE News, Stranorlar, County Donegal.